Here's a comprehensive overview of the 1971 quarter dollar, covering its background, history, potential errors, and current value. Background and history of the 1971 quarter dollar. The 1971 quarter dollar is part of the Washington Quarter Series minted by the United States Mint. It features a portrait of George Washington on the obverse, front, and an eagle on the reverse, back. The D mint mark indicates that the coin was minted in Denver. Design and specifications. Obverse *. The obverse side of the coin displays a left-facing portrait of George Washington, the first President of the United States. The design was originally created by John Flanagan in 1932. Reverse *. The reverse side features a heraldic eagle with outstretched wings, holding arrows and an olive branch in its talons. This design is attributed to sculptor Laura Garden Fraser. Minting information, mint * Denver Mint, identified by the D mint mark. Composition *. The 1971 quarter is composed of 91.67% copper and 8.33% nickel, with a diameter of 24.26 mm and a weight of 5.67 grams. Mintage *. The mintage figures for the 1971 quarter were substantial, but specific numbers vary depending on the source. Generally, it was part of regular production for circulation. Errors and varieties. Errors on coins can significantly affect their value and collector interest. Here are some notable errors and varieties associated with the 1971 quarter. 1. Double die obverse, DDO, or reverse, DDR. Instances where the die used to strike the coin was engraved with a doubled image. This can result in parts of the design appearing doubled, such as the date or lettering. 2. Off-center strikes * coins that were not properly centered when struck by the dies can display off-center features. The degree of off-centering can vary, affecting the coin's appearance and value. 3. Die cracks or cuds *. These occur when the dies used to strike the coins develop cracks or breaks. This can result in raised blobs or lines on the struck coin, affecting its appearance and potentially its value. 4. Clipped planchets * coins that were struck on planchets, the blank metal discs, that were improperly cut, resulting in missing or incomplete portions of the coin's edge. 5. Repunched mint marks, RPM. Occasionally, mint marks were punched onto the dies more than once, resulting in a doubled appearance of the mint mark. Value and collectability. The value of a 1971 quarter can vary widely depending on its condition, rarity, and any errors or varieties present. Here's a general guide to the value range. Uncirculated condition * coins that have never been used in commerce and have retained their original mint luster can fetch higher prices among collectors. Error coins * coins with noticeable errors such as double dies or off-center strikes can be highly sought after by collectors and may command significant premiums. Circulated condition * coins that have been used in everyday transactions and show signs of wear will generally have a lower collector value but are still sought by those assembling a complete set of quarters. Conclusion. The 1971 quarter dollar, like other coins in the Washington Quarter Series, offers collectors and numismatists a glimpse into American history and minting practices. Whether you are interested in its design, errors, or market value, the 1971 quarter continues to be a fascinating piece for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coin collecting insights. Thanks for watching and happy collecting.